Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today we're reviewing a laptop that combines flexibility, style, and performance. It's the ASUS Vivobook 16 Flip. This laptop is built for users who need a large screen, good power, and a 2-1 design. Whether you're a student, a creator, or someone who just likes using a touch display, this machine has something to offer. Let's talk about design. The Vivobook 16 Flip looks clean and simple. It has a solid aluminum top cover and a plastic bottom. The chassis feels sturdy. It doesn't flex much when you pick it up or use it on your lap. The edges are smooth and the finish doesn't pick up too many fingerprints. It's available in stylish colors like quiet blue and cool silver. Despite the large screen, the laptop isn't overly bulky. It's slim enough to carry in a backpack, and it weighs around 1.9 kilograms. It's not the lightest, but still portable. What makes it stand out is the 360-degree hinge. You can use it in laptop, tablet, tent, or stand. Mode. The hinge is strong and smooth. You can switch modes without any wobble or resistance. It's great for watching videos, drawing, or giving presentations. The keyboard is well laid out. Typing feels good with enough key travel and solid feedback. It's a full-size keyboard, and it even includes a number pad. It's useful if you work with spreadsheets or enter data often. The touchpad is large and responsive. It also supports ASUS Numberpad 2.0, which turns the touchpad into an LED number pad when you need it. Now the display. It's a 16-inch Full HD Plus touchscreen with a 16:10 aspect ratio. It gives you a bit more vertical space for scrolling and reading. The bezels are thin on the sides, which makes the screen feel even bigger. The colors are decent. It covers a wide color gamut and gets bright enough for indoor use. It's not old or 4K, but for the price, the panel is good. It also supports stylus input if you want to take notes or sketch. The touchscreen is responsive. Pinching, scrolling, and tapping all feel smooth. In tablet mode, the display rotates automatically and adjusts to your hand movements. It's protected with tough glass, and the surface is smooth, so it's comfortable to write on with a stylus or finger. Under the hood, the Vivobook 16 Flip comes with multiple options. You can get it with Intel Core Ultra or AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors. Performance depends on the model you pick, but most variants offer enough power for everyday tasks like web browsing, video calls, streaming, and office work. The higher-end models can even handle light video editing and creative work. The RAM goes up to 16 gigabytes. There's fast PCIe SSD storage up to 1 terabyte. Everything feels snappy. Boot time is fast, and apps open quickly. There's enough power to multitask, switch between tabs, and stream videos without lag. It's not a gaming or heavy editing machine, but it's more than enough for regular use. On the software side, it runs Windows 11 out of the box. ASUS adds its ASUS suite, which lets you tweak system settings, check hardware health, or connect your phone to your laptop. You can manage fan speeds, optimize battery, and switch performance modes easily. There's also AI noise cancellation during calls, which is helpful in noisy environments. The webcam is 1080p and has a physical privacy shutter. That's a nice touch for security. Video quality is sharp for meetings or classes. There's also a fingerprint sensor built into the power button. It works fast and adds another layer of convenience. Battery life is decent. Has a 50 to 60 watt-hours battery depending on the configuration, which you can get around 7 to 9 hours of use on. A single charge if you're doing light tasks like writing or watching videos. If you're using performance mode, expect less. The laptop supports fast charging, so you can get about 60% charge in under an hour using the 65 West USB-C charger. Thermals are well managed. The laptop has a quiet fan that stays off during light use. When the system is under load, the fan ramps up but doesn't get too loud. The bottom panel stays cool most of the time. ASUS also uses ice-cool thermal technology to keep it from overheating. Speakers are tuned by Sonic Master. They're placed on the sides and get reasonably loud. The sound is clear for movies and music. Bass is limited, as expected, but voices and instruments are crisp. For better audio, you'll want headphones. But the built-in sound is good enough for casual use. There are enough ports for most users. You get USB-C, multiple USB-A ports, HDMI, a headphone jack, and a micro SD card reader. The USB-C port supports charging and data transfer, but not Thunderbolt. Still, the port selection is better than many thin laptops. You can connect peripherals, external drives, or a second monitor easily. Wireless connectivity is modern, supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. Internet stays fast and stable, even with many devices connected. Bluetooth. Accessories like mice, keyboards, or headphones pair quickly and work without delay. In terms of value, the Vivobook 16 Flip hits a sweet spot. You get a big touchscreen, convertible design, good performance, and modern features at a fair price. It's not meant for hardcore gaming or professional editing, but it offers flexibility and enough power for most people. If you're someone who likes writing, watching content, light drawing, or working with spreadsheets, this laptop delivers. Let's look at the pros. It has a large and versatile touchscreen. The 360-degree hinge is smooth and durable. Typing is comfortable, and the number pad is a bonus. Performance is solid for daily tasks. Battery life is good. The webcam is sharp. It has good port selection, fast charging, and a fingerprint sensor. Now, the cons. It's a bit heavy for a convertible. The screen isn't old or super bright. There's no Thunderbolt support. The speakers are okay but not great. While the design is neat, it still has a plastic bottom, which may feel less premium. So what's the final verdict? The ASUS Vivobook 16 Flip is a great all-rounder for students, casual users, and creators who want a large display and the flexibility of a 2-1. It's well built. It's powerful enough for daily work and versatile for entertainment and light creative. Use if you want a big screen in a flexible form without breaking the bank. This is one of the best choices right now. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and subscribe for more. We've got plenty of laptop and tech reviews coming up. See you next time.